Okay, so today I'm walking you through how to do the connection for a LED, a blinking LED using the Arduino. Yeah. So first of all, I'll show you the components I use for this practical. So this is the breadboard. This is the connecting wires. This is resistor. This is the LED. This is the Arduino board. Then this is the cable connecting the Arduino board to the laptop. So let me start with the project. These two cables are the ones connecting, they're the ones linking the breadboard and the Arduino board. So this LED, it has two parts, that is the anode and the cathode. The anode is the longer side and the cathode is the shorter side, so you can see. So the anode, that's the longer side, is connected to power. That's, you connect to pin 13, that's the power, you give it power, and the cathode will be grounded. So this cable is giving it power, so it is pin 13, and this cable is going to the ground because it's holding the cathode. So I'll put it back at where I took it from. So it's here and here. Okay, so this pin is going to the pin 13, that will give it power, and this one is going to the ground, which will ground the whole. Okay, so let us walk through the code, and with this code you'll be coding so that the LED will be blinking every second. The time can be adjusted, but let's say every second. So when you come, this is the layouts for the Arduino IDE. So with the voice setup, you start with the pin mode that you indicate the pin and what the pin should do. So the pin mode. Okay, so the pin mode we used, the pin we used was pin 13. So pin 13 command, then it should be an output. That means it should give us an output. So you indicate that one to output. Okay, then your command should be available. So it's only one pin that we use, that was pin 13. So that's the only pin you have at the voice setup. Then comes the void loop. So with the void loop, that's where you'll be creating the loop, or you'll be telling it to on or off for any amount of time you want. So that one, use digitalWrite. That's what you use. So digitalWrite, and it's case sensitive, so please you consider that one too. So digitalWrite, then pin 13 we used. So pin 13 should be high, it means it should on. So when it's on, bring your comma, then you have to come and delay it. I said it to on for 1 second and it to go off again. So you have to delay it. So delay. So the delay, you 1 second. So this ID consider milliseconds. So you give it 1000 milliseconds, which will 1000 milliseconds. Yeah. Then come to the, see, you loop it. So it's on, this for the on, you have to off it. So digital, the same thing. Let me just copy it so that fast. Okay, so with this one, I want it to off. When it's on, it should off. So that one will be low. So the high will on it and the low will turn it off. And you delay it for 1 second. Yeah. I shouldn't forget my semicolons. Okay, it's very important. So this is the code for the LED, blinking LED. So let's go on and see the output of this. So the code has been uploaded. Yeah, from this side you can see I've uploaded the code from this side. So when you upload it, you see that it will be blinking with 1 second. At every second it blinks and it turns off. Yeah, that's the code. That's how I wrote the code. And you can see that I've connected this cable. This cable is connected to the laptop. Yeah. So this is the end of our class, and hope you enjoy it. And if you have any question, please feel free to let me know and I'll help you out. We have a lot of amazing projects coming out, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.